We are going to learn 4 sounds today. The digraph as in flood. The digraph ow as in owl. The trigraph or as in more. The quadgraph o as in doe. In part 12, we learned that ough quadgraph also makes the or sounds as in thought. Listen to me say the sounds first, then repeat after me. Ah as in flood. Ow as in owl. Or as in more. O as in doe. Let's say the sounds again. Listen and repeat after me. Ah as in flood. Ow as in owl. Or as in more. O as in doe. This time, I'm going to show you the sounds in random order. Listen and repeat after me. Ready? Ow as in owl. O as in doe. Ah as in flood. Or as in more. O as in doe. Ah as in flood. Ow as in owl. Or as in more. Well done!